Hi and welcome to EV Nerds, and today we have the new electric scooter from Hero Rider. This is the upgrade to the older S8 model. This one is called the X8. The X stands for double motor. Two 800 watt motors, so altogether it's 1600 watt of continuous power. So let's unbox it and see what's in the box. I'm going to need to level up. As you all know, Hero Rider packs these boxes incredibly, so it really takes a long time to unpack it. But yeah, it's really cool. Marco, I'll do my part as well. Yeah, really. Okay, sometimes you're quick. Yeah, what can I say? You know me. I know you. Let's see. Expectations. I have big expectations for this model. Woo! I can tell you right now, a new handlebar. Bigger stands. The charger is 54.6 volts and 2 amp hours. Okay, so here we have the motor with the suspension design. This is the book, so it tells you all about the scooter. I think the angle on this place is changed, so the suspension system, same as X8, could work a little bit better. Okay, so the tooling, more tooling, charger is 2 amps, the taillight design, the keys, the new handlebar, we have the horn, the light, the key lock, fancy logo. Yeah, this is the light, the LED light. Looking really forward to this LED light. And also, as I said, the handlebar is new, so it means more width to your handlebar. That's an awesome feature. Ooh, like the new design. Yeah, the design is different than before. That I can say right now. We'll see how it performs. So it's an upgrade to this right here. This is the S8 and this is the new one. The scooter looks much more serious than the previous model. Even the design of the stickers looks more mature. One thing I noticed, there is no LED light remote controller. Probably everything is controlled via mobile application. This looks very stiff, and this is the new handlebar tightener. So this is the same locking mechanism. You just have to pull it up, press it, that's it. This is metal, it has a small spring, so it shouldn't really break. Okay, that's solid. So we have one charging spot here. Let's see if we can find another charging spot. There is a dual charging option, which is really convenient. The brakes are X-Tech brakes right now. Before there was some no-name Chinese brand, which works very well, by the way. Let's see. Yeah, X-Tech brakes again. Many scooters have X-Tech brakes. They are really solid. Okay, so handlebar. Let's assemble this. Hero scooter has dual motors, and for this it's very important to have locking on the front motor. So when you move your handlebar, it doesn't go more than around 180 degrees. And, this is a neat safety feature, and I'm glad that Hero has it. So yeah, okay, so these are the first screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, that really keep the stem and the handlebar really tight. This part is really solid. I think it's unbreakable. but I guess we will see that in our test. So the display, the brakes, this one is loose, this is the front brake. I have to adjust it for sure. So hey, Eco, Turbo, single and dual switch. This is really going to be fun. As I said before, key lock, voltage. This is the horn and light. There are some functions for this light. I'll get into that later on. Overall, the new X8 seems to have a higher adjusted rear spring shocks. I'll have to check that since I'm not really sure. As you can see, this is more straight and this is more angled. So from this point of view, I think you could see it angled like this, and this is more straight. This is angled. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it. So the idea is that the scooter goes from rear wheel towards the front wheel, and the rear wheel is higher. So most of the high-end manufacturers are doing this. The second thing is the LED light setup. It's longer than on this one. Also, it seems to be a little bit different. Raynor said that they eventually made a totally new design for the lights. So I'm looking forward to that. And as you can see, the second version really grown up. Oh, I forgot the taillight. So in this case, we have to put this here. Since it is loose, because this is acrylic and this is metal, I'll just have to put some glue inside to keep it on the side and something to lock it in place. It's really not big of a deal, but you have to think about that when you are assembling the scooter. Now I have to assemble the front disc brake. Since it's loose, luckily this is a very easy process. These are X-Tech mechanical disc brakes, very easy to fit. Okay, so too bad the disc brake is broken. The carrier company broke it. Don't know what to say. Anyway, I will still test the wheel. I guess Raynor will send me the new disc brake for checking. Thanks UPS for making my life not easier. But anyways, I'm going to have to wrap this soon. I will now turn on the lights, the scooter. Oh yeah, I'm kind of an idiot. So on our display we have the mode button and we have to keep it for 3 seconds to turn on the lights. So let's try that. So the mode button, 1, 2, 3. Oh man, oh, now this is something different. Let me show you. No, this is perfect, really. Look how it compares the previous model. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see it, but in real life it's so fluid. This is perfect, really. I cannot imagine better LED lights. They look fabulous. Really beautiful, Raynor. Really beautiful. The stop light, the LED lights. So we have the front light as well. But since I don't like the beam, being this high, I'm going to just pull it down a bit, like this, like this. Yeah, that's better. This is the pre-production model. This small part here is going to be blacked. Doesn't really change anything, but it's going to be more stylish. Wow. Now this is a good horn. We just need to put this logo on it and we're good to go. So I gotta remove this sticker. Peel it off, adjust it. Wow. Okay. So in this deck we got four different batteries. Since the dual motor it's a lot more power, these are the battery options. The last one is 28.8 amp hours. I got the 18 amp hour setup. Why 28.8? Because if you use it with double motors, you're going to use it half of the time that you used the S8 scooter before, because you're not going to ride this beast only with one motor, seriously. But if you do it, you are going to have the same range as you had on the S8 electric kick scooter. For some reason, this whole thing feels much more sturdier and better than the S8. Even though the suspension system is the same, I just think it's a little bit higher here. Just angled differently, but I cannot say for sure. And this deck is the whole new mold. You can see that by comparing it to S8. So it just feels better. See you soon on the full review.